Hello and welcome to Tranquil Transmusions, where we take a natural environment, try to bring that energy through the camera to you. So one, you can just get filled up with the amazing energy of nature and being in nature and just that, oh my, the healing power of that. But then also is bringing in new information because we do it in a different way because we have two videos running both at the same time. One where I'm sending energy and you're just pulling it in. Another one is as if you're resisting it and we're trying to sneak that energy by you to get a natural environment, really pull it in, and you can take a limitation, you bring the new information in, and it can greatly change it. So let's jump into it, send you some of this amazing energy here. All right, hopefully you felt that. It is really powerful. The air is very clear, very clean, very crisp, and we're kind of really far out in the woods on this one, but hopefully you loved it. Until we talk again, have a blessed day or a blessed night.